Hey guys, well here's the four-wheeler I snatched up at the auction. She's rough overall, but I figured for $200 if I could get it running, it'd be kind of fun for the kids. I could whip them around here with it, and I don't know, we'll see. Didn't have a battery. I mean, it doesn't have a battery, but it didn't have a key, so I just stuck a screwdriver in there and broke the ignition. I guess I could have bought a key. They sell the whole ignition for like $10. I just broke it to see if it'll kick over. I just hit it with some starting fluid, and it did kick over, so that was kind of sick. Show you. So it'll kick over. There's no oil in it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in it, and then get some gas from the store because there's no gas in it, and just see what we got. Hopefully it'll run. The front tires were completely flat, but they're holding there right now. I just filled them up, and I guess this was used at a turf place over in Salisbury. So I don't know, I'll fill it up with oil and see what happens. It's an old Honda, so I think these are good little four-wheelers. Alright, so she runs. We can heck up a lot of fuel here, so I think that valve's bad. I'll get a new one. I just drove it down the driveway and back and shifted. I can't get it in reverse though, so I gotta figure that out. I don't really know. Hold the brake and hit reverse. Doesn't have a reverse for whatever reason. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world if I have to back it up like that, but I don't know. Everything's simple though. Everything's here. I'll get a battery for it since it runs. Brakes don't work. I probably have to bleed it. I don't know if anything else. Nothing really works, so I mean, I'm not gonna be driving at night. Cool. I'm gonna fix this little fuel shut-off thing here. Get another one. Looks like there's fuel. Actually, the whole carb's leaking everywhere. Might just get a kit for it and rebuild the carb. See what happens. $200 though, I don't know, hard to beat if it's running like this. Need some moves. Heck yeah, this thing kind of rips actually. I mean, it's leaking everywhere, but I'll show you real quick. Might still be in gear. ripper. I could probably get panels for it just to like make it half decent in the back, but I don't really even care, honestly. We'll just that car stopped leaking a little bit. Now here's the thing I'm wondering too, if this works. Let's see if this will work. I think it worked. I twisted it just a bit and it cut off, so I guess my screwdriver works. Cool. Let's get this thing fixed. Order a new one. Cause that's no good. It was spraying fuel all over my leg. Heck yeah. Kinda stoked. I know my son will love it. I have to leave it in first gear for him though, or put some kind of limiter on it because it's pretty fast. And maybe I'll get some front tires for it if these stop holding air. They're leaking already. That one's leaking for sure. It's got a patch in it. Probably get tires for $30 or something. Back ones are good. Cool little thing. Thanks again, guys, for checking out this episode of Holly's Garage. We got the four-wheeler running. It runs pretty dang good, actually. So I'm gonna get a carb rebuild kit for it and a new petcock just for the fuel shutoff, and then she should be good to go. So next video I'll do that. I'll bleed the brakes. Maybe that'll allow me to get into reverse if that front brake makes contact. Hopefully, if not, I'll just push it backwards if I ever need to. It's, you know, it doesn't weigh anything. Yeah, and then hopefully I can start getting some of these projects done. This is like my busy time of year. So of course I got like 6 projects, more than that, going at once, and hopefully I can slowly chip away at them. So this truck is the next thing. I got to get a cab corner for it, and I have to fix the brake lines and just fix a couple of fuel lines up underneath, and then we can move this thing around. And then I'm gonna plate the inside of the frame rails too, so I'll have to drop the gas tank to do that. So I'll probably get ready to do that, get the gas tank dropped, get it out of the way, weld in some, I'll probably just use quarter inch plate, I guess, or 1/8 inch plate, and just beef up the frame rails on it. She's just going to be used on the beach, and it doesn't matter much, honestly, to me. So we'll do that, and then this thing will be up and going. Might throw some bigger tires on it, I guess, because these are about shot, and got to get the bed straight on it and pop that on there so we can use it with the camper on the beach. But if you like what you saw on this four-wheeler, or you want to see this kind of stuff, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see, more and get notified when I put videos out, hit subscribe. It does help me a bit. I don't make any money off this at all, but the more subscribers I get, if I make a couple of dollars, it helps pay for parts, to put these things together, and hopefully make some decent content for you all. But thanks again, and I'll see y'all later.